Introducing the M18 SWITCH TANK 4-gallon backpack sprayer from Milwaukee Tool. Part of the SWITCH TANK interchangeable sprayer and water supply system, this innovative solution delivers an interchangeable tank design with no manual pumping. The SWITCH TANK system features 3 different tanks: a sprayer, a concrete sprayer, and a water supply tank. The interchangeable tank design allows for the same M18 powered base to be used across multiple tanks and applications. The removable tank design isolates the pump, hose, and wand, separating wearable components from the M18 SWITCH TANK powered base. Add on, interchange, and replace tank assemblies to eliminate cross-chemical contamination and deliver lower cost of ownership. Battery-powered means no manual pumping, which saves time and delivers less user fatigue. Instant, constant, and adjustable pressure delivers ultimate control and increased productivity. The 5-mode adjustable pressure knob delivers between 20 and 120 psi and has up to a 25-foot spray distance. Get up to 12 tanks per charge with the M18 REDLITHIUM XC3.0 Battery, delivering a full day of powered spray. The M18 SWITCH TANK 4-gallon backpack sprayer from Milwaukee Tool, the only system with interchangeable tanks and no manual pumping.